The servo, I have not decided if I'm gonna change that out yet. I think I might leave the 845 in here for now, and then when it acts up, I'll put the Hilly in there, the Hillantrix, what is it? When I'll get this in there, the Hillantronics. So I'll leave. Alright, so here we are, end of day 2. We have the front end pretty much together. Still gotta put the diffs inside here. I have not done that yet because I'm still waiting for the internals for the front diffs. So right now I can take these was it 6 or 8 bolts loose and lift this whole top end up. That's why the this is not attached. You know, the bumper's not attached. Shocks are still off, so that way I can just pull this up and then, you know, put the diff in, then put that back down. Right? A couple things about this. I did not have to shave the front or the rear blocks. Right? All right. That wasn't bad. Now I did have to add washers behind the sway bar mount. So I put these little small washers behind here because this was a little tight in here. It really wasn't that much play. So, and I didn't want to leave it loose, even though I did Loctite it. I didn't want to leave it loose. So, you know, that's on there. The BRP adapters on, ready to go. Didn't have to shave anything with these on the front or the other on the right or the other side. So they went on with, you know, no problem. I got the uprights for the bell crank ready, and I'm waiting on the bell crank. I ordered the ADI bell crank from a MOD, and I still do not have my. It's not even showing shipped, so I'm a little upset with that. I'm actually going to cancel that order. I'll just get it from DDM. The center brace is in, looking good. I haven't decided what I'm gonna do yet. I think I'm gonna leave the 845 in here for now, and then after, you know, if that thing dies or whatever, I'll throw the Hilly in there, the HLT 4000. But you know, it's going. Oh, another thing, right here, I had to add some washers behind the bracket for the front bumper, because the stock one has a little plastic bracket that goes across here that fills up that gap. Well, you know, without that plastic piece on here, which is not needed with the aluminum, you had to put like a spacer or some washers or something there to fill that void up. It's probably about, I don't know, 4 mils or something like that, 4 or 5 millimeters. But it's in there. Everything's together now. Like I said, it's getting there, waiting for some parts. Like I said, once I get this, and then my different internals, I mean, shoot, she's done, man. I got the side guards on, right? And then all I gotta do is throw that engine back in here. All right? Clean the engine up real good and put it back in here. Then I'll toss this thing on the shelf, and that's where it'll sit from here on out, right? Just kidding, man. All right. Well, like I said, this is the end of day 2 of the build. Just giving y'all a little update, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. All right. Stay tuned, baby.